this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to launch an instance inside of AWS. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go into AWS and then log into your account. Once from here, you should be looking something like this. And now from here you'll need to go up to the search bar up here and then click EC2 right here. And then from here under services, it should be looking something like this, where you can see the EC2 will be visible. Once from here, you'll get inside of the EC2 console dashboard. And over here to the right hand side, you'll be able to see launch a virtual server. And right underneath that, you'll be able to see launch instance. From here, you'll simply need to click that. And once from here, you should probably looking something like this if you've never launched an instance before, where you can getting started and getting a walkthrough of how everything works. But from here, you'll simply click launch without a walkthrough. And once from here, it should bring something like this. From here, you'll need to go down to name and tags. And under that, you'll be able to choose the specific name for your instance. So for this tutorial, let's just call it test 5. And from here, you'll also be able to add additional tags by clicking this button right here. And then you can set the key, value, and resource type for the specific instance, and you can also remove them by clicking remove. Once you scroll down, you'll be able to see application and OS images. From here, you'll simply need to go down to the quick start menu down here, and from here, you will need to click Amazon Linux if you want to create your first Linux instance. So just click on that, and from here, you'll need to scroll down to AMI, and you'll need to select the marked free tier available. As you can see, it will always choose that as a default. The same thing you'll need to do down with the instance types. Just leave it as it is with T3 micro and the free tier available. You can also choose here and go down and scroll until you find your specific instance type that you want to choose. Once from here, you'll simply need to scroll down again, and then you'll be able to see key pair login. Once from here, you'll need to select an instance type that is already marked, and as you can see, I've created one already, or you can choose the default value over here, or you can create a new key pair by clicking on this button here and creating a name for it, a key pair type, and a private key file format. Then from here, you'll simply need to just click create pair key, and then from here you'll be able to choose it like so. Under network settings, you'll just need to either edit it and edit it how you seem fit, or you can just leave it blank as it is, but just go down to firewall and security groups, and then you can select existing group type and then choose your specific group type, the VPC that we're just now creating, and just choose it like so. And then from here, you'll need to scroll down until config storage and leave that as it is. Once from here, you have successfully done, and you'll need to go over to launch instance over here. Once you click on that, you'll be able to see that it's launching and a success will be visible. Now from here, you can click on this little link over here that will direct you directly into the instance. So from here, once we click on that, a new tab will pop up, and then you'll be able to go inside of your VPS or instance. From here, you'll be able to connect that instance with something else if you want to do that, or you can delete it or do whatever you seem fit with it. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!